Today we're gonna do a body pump routine for beginners that you can do at home. The routine will take about 5 minutes total and we will be working with our legs and buttocks. Are you ready? Okay, so we start with the right leg and keep the back straight. If you want to add more weight to the exercise, you can take a dumbbell in your right hand. Now we go down quickly and up slowly. Now we do a small bounce like this. We take a step back and then we bring this leg forward. Try not to go all the way up, but rather stay in this position.
Taking it just like this.
Now we change legs and start again from the beginning. Remember, you can grab a dumbbell with your left hand if you have one.
Taking it just like this.
Next exercise, we need to activate the abdomen while working on the legs. If you have been using a dumbbell, it is time to let it go. However, if you have a weight bar, you can take it and put it on your shoulders. You can also take a bag with some weight on it and hold it like this, with both hands. Now we do a squat, then we move one leg back and do a lunge. Then we go back to the squat position and change legs again.
Taking it just like this.
We move only one leg backwards. Go down as far as you can while keeping your back straight. Now we change legs. And now we exercise the other leg. We change legs one last time. Now stay in this position for as long as you can and do short bounces like this.
Shaking it just like this.
And that's it, you made it, congratulations! Thank you for watching, see you next time!